Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Today I am going to continue English 2, lesson number 4, pronouns. In the previous class we learned what is a pronoun, right? What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun, right? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. And pronouns include I, you, we, me, he, she, it, etc. Okay, and today we are going to learn about personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns and possessive pronouns. Now let us see first what is a personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are used for persons. I, we, you, he, she, they, me, etc. are personal pronouns. So what is a personal pronoun? Personal pronouns are used for persons. Personal pronouns are used for persons. Personal pronouns include I, we, you, he, she, they, me. All are what? Personal pronouns. Look at example. He went to market. And what is a personal pronoun here? He. Right. Next. That book belongs to me. So here what is a personal pronoun? Me. So, personal pronouns refers to persons only. Personal pronouns are used for persons. I, we, you, he, she, they, me, all are personal pronouns. Okay. Next, reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used as object of the verb. Reflexive pronouns are used as object of the verb. The action of the subject turns back on the subject itself. So what is a reflexive pronoun? They are used as object of the verb. The action of the subject turns back on the subject itself. The action of the subject turns back on the subject itself. They are formed by adding self for singular or selves for plural. How reflexive pronouns are formed? By adding self. Okay, myself, yourself, himself, herself. All are what? Reflexive pronouns as singular. And for plural, we will use selves. S-E-L-V-E-S. Selves. Ourselves, themselves. All are reflexive pronouns in plural form. Okay. See the example. He got himself a bag. What is the reflexive pronoun here? Himself. Okay. So, reflexive pronouns are used as the object of the verb. This is the object of the verb and the action of the subject turns back on the subject itself. He got himself a bag. So, himself is the object here and what is the subject also? The same. He bought himself a bag. Next one, she made herself coffee. So what is the reflexive pronoun here? Herself. Okay? And the subject is she. She made herself coffee. So what is reflexive pronoun? They are used as the object of the verb. The action of the subject turns back on the subject itself. Okay? She made herself coffee. Herself is the object here and it's turned back on the subject. The same. She made herself coffee. Okay. Next is demonstrative pronouns. What is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out things to which they refer. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out to things which they refer. This, these, that and those are demonstrative pronouns. So, what are demonstrative pronouns? They are used to point out things which they refer. This, these, that, those are what? Demonstrative pronouns. This refers to the things which are near to us. If it is far, we will use that. If it is in singular, if it is plural, nearby means we will use these, and if it is far, we will use those. Okay? For example, this chair is broken. Chair is singular, right? So, what is the demonstrative pronoun here? This. Okay? Next example, these are her clothes. Clothes plural, right? So, what is the demonstrative pronoun here? These. If the noun is subject is in singular, we will use the demonstrative pronoun singular. Okay? This. If it is near to us. If it is in plural, and we will use demonstrative pronoun in plural. Okay. Next is interrogative pronouns. What is an interrogative pronoun? You know, right? Already interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Interrogative means what? Asking questions. And interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Who, whom, and whose are used for persons. Who, whom, and whose are used for persons. Which and what are used for things. So the pronouns were who, whom, and whose are used for persons, and which and what are used for things. What is used for asking general information also. Okay. Look at the example. Who are those people? What is the interrogative pronoun here? Who. Next example. Which one would you like? What is the interrogative pronoun here? Which. Okay. So interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Who, whom, and whose are used for persons, and which and what are used for things, and what is also used for asking general information also. Okay. Next is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show possession. So what is possessive pronouns? It shows possession or ownership. This pen is mine. It shows ownership or possession. Mine, ours, yours, hers, theirs, etc. are possessive pronouns. So what are the words we can use for possessive pronouns? Mine, ours, yours, hers, theirs, etc. are possessive pronouns. See example. These books are mine. What is the possessive pronoun here? These books are mine. So mine is the possessive pronoun. Next, the car is theirs. Whose car is that? Theirs. So what is the possessive pronoun? Theirs. Okay, children. So let us see once again. What are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are used for persons. I, we, you, he, she, they, me, etc. are personal pronouns. Next, reflexive pronouns are used as the object of the verb. The action of the subject turns back on the subject itself. If it is a reflexive pronoun, you can find self or selves. Self in singular and selves for plural. Okay, myself, ourself, yourself, himself. If you see, and then what kind of pronoun it is? Reflexive pronoun. If it is in plural, you can find ourselves, themselves, like that. Okay. Next, demonstrative pronouns. They are used to point out things to which they refer. If it is near, we will use the demonstrative pronoun this. If it is far, that for singular. And we can use these for plural. If it is near to us, if it is far, and if it is in plural, we have to use those. So this, these, that, and those are what? Demonstrative pronouns. Next, interrogative pronouns. They are used for asking questions. Who, whom, and whose are used for persons, and which and what are used for things. Next, possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns shows possession or ownership. Mine, ours, yours, hers, theirs, etc. are possessive pronouns. So children, I hope you all understood. Now we will move on to the TV exercises. So children, all of you take out page number 65. Okay, I'll read. What are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are used for persons. I, we, you, he, she, they, me, etc. are personal pronouns. Next, reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used as objects of the verb. The action of the subject turns back on the subject itself. Reflexive pronouns are formed by adding self for singular or selves for plural. Singular form, my will become myself, him, himself, her, herself, you, yourself, it, itself. And for plural form, our will become ourselves, your, yourselves, them, themselves. Okay. Next, demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the things to which they refer. This, these, that, and those are demonstrative pronouns. Next, interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Who, whom, and whose are used for persons. Which and what are used for things. Possessive pronouns show possession. Mine, ours, yours, hers, theirs, etc. are possessive pronouns. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. We have to write the suitable personal pronouns in the blanks. Okay. First one is, my name is Anne. Dash am the youngest in the family. I am Anne. My name is Anne and I am the youngest in the family. Right here, I. Next, I am standing on my head. Look at who is standing. I am standing on my head. Look at me. Personal pronoun, me. Next, this is my mother. Dash is a doctor. This is my mother. She is a doctor. This is my father. What you can write? Father, right? So, he. Male, right? Masculine, feminine. Masculine, he. Feminine, she. My mother is kind. Everybody likes her. Everybody likes her. I have a dog. Dash is called Lucky. I have a dog. It is called Lucky. Animals, we can use it. Okay, I have a dog. It is called Lucky. Next, my family and Dash live in a big city. My family and I. Next, pick up your toys and put them away. Pick up your toys and put them away. Next main, circle the reflexive pronoun in each sentence. Draw a line back to the subject it is reflecting. We have to circle the reflexive pronoun in each sentence and you have to draw a line back to the subject it is reflecting. See, first one example they have given. We had to cook for ourselves since mom didn't want to make dinner. We had to cook for ourselves. Ourselves is what? The reflexive pronoun. So, we have to circle ourselves. And which one is reflecting the subject? We had to cook for ourselves. So, we have to draw a line back to we. Okay, next let's see the second one. The television uses a timer to turn itself off after 1 hour. The television uses a timer to turn itself. What is the reflexive pronoun? Itself. So, circle itself. And what is the subject it is reflecting? Which one uses a timer to turn itself? The television, right? So, you have to draw back a line to the television. Next, they used the camera on the cell phone to take pictures of themselves. Who used camera to take pictures? They. Okay, to take pictures of themselves. And the reflexive pronoun here is themselves. So, circle themselves. And draw a line back to they. Next, when you go shopping for me, buy a present for yourself. What is the reflexive pronoun here? Yourself, right? So, circle yourself. And who is going shopping? You, right? When you go shopping for me, buy a present for yourself. So, what is the subject here reflecting? You. So, draw a line back to you. Sixth one. The man talked to himself as he walked down the street. What is the reflexive pronoun? Himself. So, circle himself. Who talked to himself? The man. So, draw a line back to the man. Next, I dressed myself this morning. And the reflexive pronoun is myself. And draw a line back to I. I dressed myself this morning. Eighth one, the little girl learned how to dress herself for school. What is the reflexive pronoun here? Herself, right? So, circle herself. Who learned dress herself? The little girl, right? So draw a line back to the little girl. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with this or these. We have to write this or these in the blanks given below. Okay. If it is in singular, we have to use this. If it is in plural, we have to use these. Okay. Dash are new bikes. So, bikes plural, right? So, we have to use these. Right? These. Dash is a hill, only one, right? Singular only. So, we have to write this. This is a hill. Dash are donkeys. Plural, right? So, we have to write these. Next, dash are not my shoes. The noun is in plural. So, we have to write these. Dash is my house. Singular, right? House is in singular. So, we have to write this. This is my house. Next one is dash my drink. Is in singular. So, we have to write this. Is this my drink? Seventh one, what is singular? Is in singular. So, what is this? Eighth one, dash are his children. Children is in plural, right? So, we have to write these. These are his children. Ninth one, dash are my books. Books is in plural. So, we have to write these. Next, fill in the blanks with that or those. If the noun is in singular, we have to write that. If it is in plural, we have to write those. Let us see. First one. No, dash is not mine. Is in singular. So, we have to write that. No, that is not mine. What are dash? Are is in plural. So, what are those? We can do better than that. Fourth one, who is dash at the door? Is singular, right? So, who is that knocking at the door? These are bigger than these. So, we will write the plural form those. Next, can you see horses, right? So, those. Next, dash is my friend's house. Is singular, so that. Are dash your books? It's in plural, right? So, we will write those. Next one, did you win? Dash is amazing. Did you win? Dash is. It is in singular. So, we will write that. That is amazing. So, copy this, children, without mistakes. Next main, fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative pronouns from the box. In the box they have given who, whom, what, whose, which. We have to write the suitable interrogative pronouns. Okay. First one, dash house should we go to on Saturday to watch the game. So, we have to write whose house should we go to on Saturday to watch the game. Right? Whose. Second one, dash is going to participate in the debate. Who is going to participate in the debate? Right? Who. Third one, to dash should I address this letter? To whom? Next, dash would you like to do tomorrow? What would you like to do tomorrow? Right? What? Fifth, to dash was the package sent. To whom was the package sent? Sixth one, dash car is yours. You can ask, which car is yours? Seventh one, dash is your dog's name. What is your dog's name? Next, dash is the new student in the class. who is the new student in the class? Write who. Next, dash one of the books is your favorite. Which one of the books is your favorite? Write which. Last one, whose birthday is in the month of December? Write whose. Whose birthday is in the month of December. So children, all of you copy this without mistakes in your textbook. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. Okay? Thank you.